Hi there. This video is going to show you how to increase and decrease by a percentage. So we've got a computer which is on sale. The discount is 13%. If the original price was $1,255, what is the discounted price? So with discount, the discount of 13%, that means that we're going to take off 13% of the original price from the original price. So what we could do is find 13% of $12.55 and then subtract that amount from $12.55 to get the discounted price. But we're not going to do it that way for this video. We're going to just do like a one-step solution. So if we're removing 13%, that means we are actually finding 87% of $12.55. So 87% is 0.87 times $12.55 will give us the discounted price. So 0.87 times $12.55 gives us $1,091.85. Okay, so the discounted price is equal to $1,091.85. So you need this final statement here because the question is asking you what is the discounted price. Don't just have that calculation, that's the calculation you're working that you need. Just make sure you have some sort of final statement. Okay, number 2 here says properties in Gordons Valley region have increased in value by 16%. If a property's value was $565,000, what is its value after the increase? So the property is increasing by 16%. So that means that we're actually finding 116% of that original value. Okay, so that's what we're trying to find. 116% as a decimal is 1.16. Of becomes times, and our original value is 565,000. And that will give us the increased value. Okay, so 1.16, we're increasing by a percentage, times 565,000 equals 655,400. So increased value is equal to 655,400. Okay, number 3. A particular brand and model of phone normally costs $595. It is presently on sale, 17.5% off. What does it sell for? Okay, so this is on sale, a discount. This is a reduction by a percentage, decrease by a percentage. So how much off? 17.5%. So we're going to subtract 17.5% from 100%, and that gives us 82.5%. So we're finding 82.5% of the original cost. So 82.5% as a decimal is 0.825 times 595, and that will give us the selling price. So 0.825 times 595 gives us 490.88. So selling price is equal to 490 90, 88. And the last question here, we've got a piece of jewellery. It's produced at a cost price of $21.85. If a 35% markup is placed on the cost price and then a 15% tax, what is the selling price? So two increases here. So we're going to work out, first of all, the 35% markup. So 21.85 times 1.35. Okay, so that gives us $29.50, and then we're going to add the tax, so that's with markup. Now we're going to do the with tax, so adding the tax on 15%. So we're going to take our $29.50, 15% tax we need to add on, so we're going to be multiplying that by 1.15, so 115%, and that will give us the selling price. So selling price is equal to $33.93. So we could round that up to $33.90 or $33.95 or whatever price. We could even round that up to $34 if we were the people producing the jewellery. And that is increase and decrease by a percentage.